Alright, under here we're going to pull these two brackets out.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing. I'm talking.
Okay.
And I'm going to insulate from the front of that tank all the way around to the back of this tank. Hopefully it works. Alright, here's one row of aluminum sticky foil. And then there's the heater. And then we're going to cover it up. Alright, we got this side all done. Tin foiled up, brackets all back in place. And then we're in good shape. Runs all the way up the side here. Alright, here's his gray water tank. It's all done up. You can see the wires sticking out right there. We're going to stretch them to the front. And we're going to go in to where all the wires go in, and we're going to hook a switch up front. We'll get to that in a minute. Alright, I tapped off the junction block up front, and then when you turn that on, that tells you your tank heaters are on. And that'll run with it plugged in, not plugged in, sitting here all by itself. There you go. Here's where I got power. I tapped into this one. You see the fuse. I put an inline fuse right here and zip tied it all up. We went ahead and duck buttered all the seams. I'm not going to get in there and show you all that, but we duck buttered all the seams so when it dries there's no way it's going to come apart. And right now he's putting on a flexible solar panel to add to the one he's got. So he's got 100 amp now. He's going to put another 100 watt. He's got to put another 100 watt. Plus this has a little suitcase one that plugs in right here. So if you got like a bunch of sun on this side, you can plug in and have even more. So there you go.